dancer. Sophie, what you doing?
Give him a couple days and he'll unlock not just food boxes, but any door.
He's gonna bury it.
Yay! George, did you enjoy that? Hi.
What you did? What you did? Yeah.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it.
Don't be surprised if your neighbor always sounds like they're fixing something. It's their bird doing it.
Come on. There you go. Rock out. Come on, girls. Let's go.
These guys have their special signal to tell their owners when it's chow time.
And has done Lord knows what.
So funny.
It's very nice for you to say. What?
You're talking to me.
Yes, I am talking to you, you fat. Why? Why are you doing this silly dance?
You're not getting more food.
Oh, shut up. Stop doing that silly wiggly woggly dance.
Achoo! Achoo!
What is going on?
Little Bud totally rewrote the skateboard game. He's got to be like a genius with an IQ of 200 or something.
Relax, relax, breathe. You guys are Americans. Wasn't expecting that. Wait with me.
Good, yeah? Come here, come here. Come here, come here. He's good?
This bird buddy took the fetch game to a whole new level, literally and figuratively.
What's on your head up? Bird has nothing to do.
No, it's a worry, isn't it?
The one I
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come.
You're not allowed in here. No, you're not allowed in here. You know this.
You got this package from Amazon. I don't know what's in it.